gorgeous. My hairdresser has been. Oh, she's a bit good. Love this big girly hair. Bit of jewelry in. Got to be done. Oh, I love it. Well, let's stop procrastinating and finish off the eye makeup. So, see what we got here. So I've got a gel eyeliner. It's not water soluble. You want this to be anything but water soluble. You're going lining the inside of your eyes and your lower eyes. And if there's an area that's going to water or you have problems with that, it's going to be there. So you want something fairly resistant. So, just a small makeup brush. As you can see, it's just joining the dots now. Preferably. And if your hand's steady enough, line the upper inside as well. Now you can see where I've done the top line before with the aqua black. I've not gone all the way onto the inside, and now I literally finished joining those the dots up with the with the gel. Now at this point, I've got my barely see it. There we go. A lower false eyelashes. These ones I order online via eBay. So a little bit of adhesive there. Absolutely the same procedure that you have for the tops. Just come underneath the eye, your own eyelashes. Let it adhere. Now, really important, inside edge first. Do not do the outside edge. If you do the outside edge first, it'll be like a bit of a tension, and it'll quite often ping the inside. Then you'll have glue smudges on your makeup and then just a little bit of glue over the top, just to seal it down. Now, the top of the eyelid I haven't refined yet, and this is the point where I'll get my aqua black out, because now I've done the inside edge and I have a line to follow now. It also gives you an opportunity to deepen up the black. Straight hair. Get the old straight hair. Don't want to be painting over hairs, honey. Drag along your face. So, doing just a little bit of a gel again. I tend to put a little bit of gel again over the lower eyelash. Stop the glue from gluing your eyes shut. There we go. Looking sexy. Right, just gonna off camera finish off the left eye. I'll see you in a minute. And looking fabulous. Oh, sitting here admiring myself. Got to be done. So, last thing to do, extra little bit of mascara. All you're trying to do now is blend your own eyelashes in, or glue them together a little bit, as it were, with the mascara to the false eyelashes. So you get a bit of a seamless line between the two. There you go. So, job done. Just got to get dressed now. God knows what I'm going to wear.